Sorry. Roblox. Oh, sorry. Now I can buy a Roblox. I have only one Roblox left. What I'm going to do, guys? Yeah. Okay. Oh, sorry. I'm showing my batteries. It's right here. Sorry. Don't look. Don't look. Okay. What I do my Robux? I have only 3 left Robux. But what I should buy? Huh? Yes, go, man. I've already baby Alpit. In my same old account, but have no ID. My outfit avatar and the Roblox list. Okay, that's it. Let's go! Hurry up! I'm joking. I'm only 2 Robux. Let's go see